3D printing is another name for additive manufacturing, where you take an electronic design, a computer design, and take it from your laptop to real life. 3D printers have recently come down significantly in price, and so now we think they're an interesting thing for the public library to offer. Currently, for Fairfax County Public Library holders, there is no charge. Anyone with a card can print one item per week for free. The public library does the printing for you. People submit their form online, their electronic design, and we print it for them. They can pick it up at any of 4 libraries that currently offer this service. There's all kinds of things that people can print on a 3D printer. They can be game pieces. If you're into tabletop gaming, you can print pieces for a dishwasher, for instance, if you have an expensive part that you're tired of paying for. You can do door handles, you can do decorative objects. People have found a lot of interesting ways to make this happen. The public library, we see our job as getting information to the people who need it. And this is a new form of industry in the United States. Lots of public schools in Fairfax County have 3D printers to allow people to go from a design idea to execution. So we see it as part of our role to help educate the customer and not just people who have access to them in other contexts. This is available to everyone. For more information about 3D printing, please visit our website.